When Tom passed, it was a shock to everybody, especially to us. And Tom was called my co-captain, and now he's captain of his own fucking boat. He's a wonderful fellow. Trust me, he loves real rock and roll. You wouldn't get all these mistakes that happen if it wasn't real rock and roll. No contracts. What you hear is what you get. And I see when you're out there and you're moving that you're feeling it. And that's what we do it for, because he's written some fantastic songs. 3 albums worth of songs now. And he tells me that I'm going to actually get to play on one. Maybe next year we're going to start another one. So I'm really excited about that. But anyways, he's a great songwriter, great guitarist, fantastic guitarist. And above all, he's a great friend and a great person. So let me introduce you, Mr. Mike Campbell.